So recently Chrome released bunch of useful Chrome flags which I am enjoying a lot lately. Like you can swipe left or right in a tab to move one step back in your browsing history, long press on a link or an image to sneak peek it, or even add voice search in the address bar. We did a video on Chrome flags a year ago, but since then a lot has changed. Now if you're not sure what Chrome flag is, it is a bunch of experimental features which you can access by typing Chrome flags in your Chrome browser, and then you will see a big list of Chrome flags with a warning that these features are not stable, but most of the times they are. From here you can find Chrome flags by using the Chrome's built-in find option and then type in the search bar. Now with that out of the way, let's check out some of the useful Chrome flags. When you open a new Chrome tab on your Android, you see a list of articles at the bottom of the bookmark. Now, more often than not, these suggested articles are targeted at the masses and don't really add any value, which is why I like to disable them using the Chrome flags. All you have to do is type in NTP remote suggestion. Once you find it, disable it and restart your browser. Now if you open the new tab, it's gone. Goodbye clickbait titles. Another thing that I find inefficient about Chrome is the Omnibox. For instance, whenever I tap on the URL box, it automatically highlights the URL. And then I have to again tap on the small cross icon to remove the URL. Ideally, it should work something like this. If I tap on the URL box, it should automatically clear the current URL and give you a blank space, along with a quick simple shortcut for copying or sharing the link in the current page that you are viewing. Looks cool, right? Well, here is how you enable it. Head over to Chrome flags and search for Search Ready Omnibox. By the way, if you don't see this option, make sure you update your Chrome browser and then enable it. And once you do that, whenever you go to a new tab and tap on the URL box, you will have this new Omnibox. Here's another one of my favorites. So there are times when I come across a link or an image which I'm curious to check but not curious enough to open it in a new tab or even go through it. So I can enable the sneak peek feature, which gives you a sneak peek of an image or a link without having to open it in a new tab. So to enable this, open Chrome flags and search for ephemeral tab. And then enable it. Now whenever you tap on a link, you can quickly sneak peek it in a new window without having to open a new tab. How cool is that? And it goes without saying that anytime you want to revert back to the previous setting, you can always change the flag to default. Now I'm not sure about Windows, but on Mac, you can swipe to the left in any tab to move back one step in the browsing history, or swipe right to move forward. But guess what? You can do the same with your Android Chrome browser as well, as long as it doesn't collide with your phone gestures. I mean, check this out. If I swipe to the right of a page, it moves one step forward and vice versa. So to enable this, you need to go to the Chrome flags and turn on history navigation with gesture. Moving on, Google had removed the ability to bring the URL box at the bottom, which we all loved. But after the backlash, they at least let you move the main browser interface, the commands you interact with most often, instead of leaving them in their usual home at the top. This way they are easier to reach without having to shift your phone in the other hand. So to enable this, go to Chrome flags and search for Chrome Duet, and then enable it. Now you might have to restart your browser again for the effect to take place. But once it does, it's going to look something like this. Now this one has been there for a while, but it's still worth including. So when you open the list of all the tabs in Google Chrome, you get a list that is vertically stacked. But I prefer horizontal alignment like the recent apps on Android. This way you get the complete preview of all the tabs instead of having to guess from the header. So to do this, all you have to do is go to Chrome Flags and enable the horizontal tab switcher. And there you go.